Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day. What is today 19? Day 19? I think day 19, which is crazy. But I'm still in my pajamas. I haven't gotten ready for the day, but I'm hopping in my car because I think there's something in the mailbox that I need to grab. I'm trying to finish wrapping Alex's gifts so I can bring them over today. And yes, I feel super lazy driving to my mailbox, but it's kind of further down our drive, or like the street, and I want to be quick, so I feel super lazy doing this, but oh well, I'm driving. I have to move my car anyway because we got wood on Sunday and I needed to put my car in the grass so they could deliver the wood. So that's my excuse for driving to the mailbox and not walking and being lazy. But I'm hoping these are Alex's. I'm hoping this is my Ralph Lauren package that I made on Black Friday. But we'll see. That's what I'm hoping for. I am so lazy driving right now. Oh my gosh. Do not judge. Please do not judge at all. We're literally here, but I'm gonna turn around first and then get them. Wait, there's nothing here. Okay, weird. There's nothing in there. Where is my package? I'm gonna have to go look on the delivery. Hopefully there's a picture of where it was delivered because I'm scared they accidentally delivered it to the wrong house. There's literally packages I see at my garage door, so maybe that's where the Ralph Lauren package is. Wait, I'm actually laughing at myself. How did I not see that? Okay, I don't know if this is my Ralph Lauren package, but it's mine. The first package is my clear stem supplements, so I know what that is, which is nice because I'm running out of that. But what is this package? Yes, it's my Ralph Lauren package. Okay, cool. So I got him a pair of Ralph Lauren socks last year, and I think they're really nice for work and for the loafers, but I got him navy blue because I got him brown socks. But since I got him a pair of black loafers this year, I wanted to get him some black trouser socks, or loafer socks. So I got him 2 pairs of those, which I'm really excited about. And then I also got my cousin Riley. She really wanted some loafer socks for Christmas, and I thought these were so adorable. They come in black, a cream, and a gray, and I just think they're so cute. Like all the colors that you would need. So I got my cousin this, and then I'm also getting her some, or I'm trying to search for vintage rings because she really wants rings. You're making the table shake, Sarah.
I'm sorry.
Vintage rings, so I'm getting her this and some vintage rings. Can I show them one of your drawings? My sister is a really good artist, that's why it's shaking in the background, because she's currently painting, but she's giving her grandparents handmade cards that they can send out, because our grandparents still love sending handwritten notes to people for birthdays, holidays, you know, any, I don't know, what else do you send cards for? Congratulations, thinking of you, things like that, and they love doing that. So
I write that down, write on them.
Yeah, but
and do the backgrounds.
Yeah, she's not finished, but this is what she's doing, a series of birds for my mom's parents because they really love birds and they're so good. I'm gonna show you some of them. This is one of them. She's not finished, but how stunning is this? And then she's gonna put a background and then write something for this card. And it's just so thoughtful and such a good idea. And then this one's a more abstract version of birds sitting on a branch, which I think is so pretty, and I love the shades of blue. And then this last one, she just did.
I don't know if I'm gonna keep that one.
I like that one.
Oh, you do like, you like that one?
Yeah, I think the abstract is cool. And I love the blues.
Yeah, I know.
I really love the
that
blues.
one,
She might redo this one, but I think it's still good. And she has this one, but she still needs to write on it, and she wants to do something in the background because she thinks it's too plain. But that's what my sister is giving my grandparents for Christmas, and I just absolutely love it. She's so good. She's very talented, and I am not in that department at all. But yay, okay, so I'm gonna continue wrapping these because I want to bring over Alex's gifts today. I am on my way over to Alex's house to drop off all the gifts. I finished wrapping them all and they look so pretty. I am just so in love with that wrapping paper I bought. I love seeing them all together, like seamless. It looks so, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. So I can't wait to see him underneath his Christmas tree. I think it's gonna look so good. But gonna go drop them off, and then I think I might run to HomeSense afterwards over his way to see if there's any more of my wrapping paper, because I'm definitely gonna need more. I'm already on my second roll. Sorry if it's a little bumpy, I'm kind of on a bumpy road, but I'm already on my second roll, so I'm definitely going to need more wrapping paper. So I'm gonna go over to the HomeSense over here because he lives in a different area than I do, and see if they have any more of my wrapping paper. I'm praying they do, or in a different color. It doesn't have to be the red, maybe in like an olive green or something like that. That would be really pretty. But yeah, I'm just gonna go there and check, and then I need to figure out what I'm having for dinner. But I decided to go makeup free today, which I'm so excited about. My face needed a break. It needed to breathe. I talked about it yesterday. I just felt like my skin was hating me because I was wearing so much makeup, and my face started breaking out, like around my nose. I think it was just getting clogged from all the makeup. So no makeup today, fresh face, and I know I'm gonna thank myself tomorrow when I wake up, and I just have so much skincare on right now. But I'm gonna go because I feel like the camera is very bumpy because of the road I'm on, so I'll see you when I get to Alex's place. Just got to Alex's place, and his sister came in last night, and she is so cute. She found some more little Christmas decorations and she put them up. She hung up our stockings that I got from the painter's mill, and then she put this old snowman and Santa that they used to have at their old house. And then she also found these little reindeers, and I guess this is like a fake Christmassy flower bouquet. And then she also found this little snowman guy and just rested it on the lamp. And then lastly, she found these two little things and put them on the kitchen table. But I just thought that was the cutest thing. I walked in and I was like, oh my gosh, oh, I'm so happy she hung our stockings because I honestly didn't know how to hang them. She just tied the ribbon that was already on them. Oh shoot. Oh no, don't fall. Okay, stay. But I turned on the Christmas tree. It looks so good. These hats are from the winter wedding that we just went to a few weeks ago. They handed out Santa hats with their last name and the date, which I thought that was so cute because it was a December wedding. So the Santa hats are still on the chair, but the Christmas tree looks so beautiful. I love this tree. It's huge, absolutely huge, but I'm going to put the presents underneath, and then when he comes home from work, he's going to be surprised with all the beautiful presents underneath the tree. The gifts are all under the tree. I absolutely love it. What I love is actually we don't have a tree skirt, so it blocks the frame and kind of acts as a tree skirt, which I really love. But these pine needles are gonna be the death of me. Every time I vacuum, I just see so many more. I'm just gonna have to say, oh well, and just wait until the tree Christmas is over, which is so sad to say. And we don't have the tree and I can just vacuum then, because every time I vacuum I feel like 2 seconds later there's more pine needles on the ground. But I just love the wrapping paper. It looks so cute. Made it to Home Goods. I'm just gonna film on my phone because I feel like it's gonna be easier to film in there, but I'm really hoping they have my wrapping paper. I love it so much and I don't want to pick a new one, so we're gonna see, but hopefully they do. Goodness. Oh my goodness. What is it, girls? Is it a nice soft bed? Oh my goodness. Is it so cozy? Do you love it? You love it, Piper. You love it so much. It's so cozy. It's so cozy and warm. Do you love it, Pipe? You love it so much? This is an early Christmas present for you guys. So you guys can enjoy it before Christmas and have it before. You guys have more gifts coming, but do you love it? You do, you're so cute. HomeSense was a huge success. It was actually Home Goods, so they don't have a HomeSense over there. I realized it's only Home Goods, but as you can see, that was the first thing I purchased, and I saw it. Are you gonna be that loud the entire time I'm trying to talk to them? But I saw it and I was like, I need it. They need it. They need a Christmas pillow. bed. They don't have anything Christmassy dedicated to them, so I felt like they needed something. So I'm very happy with that, and I gave that to them obviously now. But the other thing that I got them, I'm gonna give it to them on Christmas, and I'm gonna hide it so my mom and sisters don't see. But I got them matching jackets because they get so cold since they're small. They get so cold in the winter, and if we go on walks, I just got them these cute little coats that have fur on the inside to keep them warm. I thought they were the cutest things ever, and they had 2 extra small. So that's gonna be a surprise for my whole family. I'm not gonna tell them that I got them, and I'm gonna wrap it and address it to Maddie and Piper. So I'm very excited about that. Mads, can you just pause for 2 seconds? And then, guys, I am so shocked. They had plain red wrapping paper, so I got 2 of them. I just could not get this. I was dying to do something with red, just plain red wrapping paper, like a deep wine red. So I got 2 of these because they were small. And then they didn't have the exact vintage wrapping paper that I got before, but they had basically the same colorway, just different designs, which honestly I think it's cute. And it has a lot more paper in this roll to use. So I thought this was perfect. So I only got 1 of them, and then two of the just red. I'm so excited. They didn't have any ribbons, so I have to go back to my HomeSense near where I live and just get more of that velvet ribbon that I use, but I cannot wait to see. I can't wait to see this with the red ribbon. I think it's gonna look so good. But that was my HomeSense haul. I'm so happy. I feel like it was a huge success. Very, very happy. And then I just went to the grocery store afterwards just to get a few things for dinner. I think I'm just gonna make not shrimp, I lied. I'm gonna make fish with cilantro, lime rice, and some broccoli to go with it. We've been having salmon and shrimp, so I wanted to do something different, so I got cod. So we're gonna do that for dinner tonight, which should be really good. But I think I'm gonna go quickly work out now because my cousin actually that lives in Paris just got in, so she is headed here now. She flew into DC, so she's still like an hour and so away because of traffic. So I want to get in a quick workout before she comes, but I'm so excited to see her. But I had to show you my home goods haul because it was so good. And I need to put these coats away so my mom and sisters don't see them, but I am obsessed with them.